Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a recipe. Today we are going to prepare date nuts balls. These are extremely nutritious balls and are made up of dates, nuts, olive oil and coconut, desiccated coconut. So let's get started. We took 1 cup of dates, half cup of walnuts, 1/4 cup of almonds, 1 banana, vanilla extract, and then we will be needing 1 cup of coconut, desiccated coconut. So let's get started. Take the grinder jar and add the ingredients as shown. First we are going to add dates to the jar. Now we will cut a banana and add to the jar. Now add half cup of walnuts to it. Now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the jar. This cocoa powder is going to give it a chocolatey nutty flavor. Now we are going to add 1/4 cup of almonds to it. Almonds are very good for health. It is said that almonds are very useful for eye health. Now next comes cinnamon powder. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder or darchini powder to the jar. I'll be adding 1 pinch of salt to balance the taste. By adding vanilla extract to the mixture, we are making it more flavorful. Let's start grinding the mixture. After grinding them into a paste, I will be preparing the coating with pistachio and almonds to cover the balls. So here our coating is ready. We are going to coat our balls with this coating. So here our paste is ready. Now I will be adding desiccated coconut 1 cup to the mixture and mix it well to form a dough-like consistency. These balls are full of goodness. We have nuts here, we have dates, we have added desiccated coconut, cinnamon powder, and now we are going to roll them into balls by greasing them with olive oil. So here all the healthy ingredients are present in the balls. These date nuts balls are very beneficial for kids, especially those kids who don't like to have dates and nuts. You can feed them dates and nuts this way and they are surely going to like it. My kids don't like dates at all. They don't want to eat dates at all. So this is the easiest way I can feed them dates as well as nuts easily. You might be surprised that we have added banana to it. Because of banana, the mixture is very soft and smooth and you can refrigerate these balls for 2 weeks in refrigerator. But believe me, if you prepare these balls, you are going to finish it in a day or 2. Here I am coating the balls with pistachio. Then I will be coating them with desiccated coconuts, and few balls I will be leaving as is. You can even coat them with sesame seeds. Sesame seeds and dates combination is very awesome and you can try that too. I have tried 2 combinations here and left few balls as is. You can even try with sesame seed or you can leave them as is. That's absolutely your choice. If you want, you can even add chia seeds to the mixture while grinding, or you can add chia seeds as is to the mixture after grinding. So here our lovely, yummy, tasty and nutritious date balls are ready. You can even have them when you are in weight loss journey. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.